We are glad you decided to join the Noors Inner Circle. As already mentioned, there are some details that we can't reveal just yet. However, we'll share enough information for you to see what an amazing ground floor opportunity this is, how our products will impact the lives of millions of people worldwide, and how to position yourself to make a substantial amount of money the day we go live and open our doors for business. So please, pay close attention. Today we'll show you what Noors is all about, our mission, and why we believe our social site for entrepreneurs will be bigger than the internet titan LinkedIn. Let me ask you a question. If you want to buy goods online at a good price, where do you go? Amazon.com, right? If you want to find a new career, where do you turn to? CareerBuilder.com. Meet someone new? eHarmony.com. Connect with friends? Facebook.com. The web is a fantastic platform for connections, isn't it? But where do aspiring entrepreneurs connect with providers of business opportunities and services they need to start and grow their businesses? We searched everywhere for this and couldn't find it, so we decided to build it ourselves. We designed Noors.com to help connect two different groups of people. There are approximately 50 million aspiring entrepreneurs in the US and 400 million worldwide who dream of being their own boss and running their own businesses, but they need help, guidance, and capital. Then there are millions of providers of business opportunities and services designed for aspiring entrepreneurs who are desperately seeking people to help. Who are these providers? They are franchisors, recruiters for direct selling organizations, business coaches, and other providers of professional services such as CPAs, lawyers, web designers, and even marketing consultants. Essentially anyone that caters to aspiring entrepreneurs. Think of us as the eHarmony of the business world, and like eHarmony, our members will be given a short survey developed by some of the brightest entrepreneurs, business coaches, and consultants to identify and match a person's core values, interests, and skill sets in order to pair them with the ideal business opportunities and the experts who can help them start those businesses. Not only are we the first to pioneer this concept, but we will be the only service of its kind in the marketplace. We felt a service with that kind of global impact and appeal should be met with a method of spreading our message on an equal or greater scale. So rather than going the traditional route of spending millions of dollars on advertising and marketing or paying Google, Yahoo, and Bing to drive traffic to our site, we instead decided to spend our marketing budget by incentivizing and rewarding you, the early adopters, to help us spread the word. Are you aware of the impact you have when you recommend a restaurant, movie, app, game, or any product for that matter? You may think that only a few people will be interested in your recommendation, but the reality is quite different. Those people probably told others, and so on. Your indirect impact could be way beyond your imagination. This viral word-of-mouth marketing is what we at Noors like to call your marketing reach, and is responsible for bringing thousands of new customers to those businesses and generating millions of dollars for them. But what about you? Imagine that the next time you got excited about a website, book, or service, you told 6 people about it. If those 6 people just told another 6 people, that would quickly turn into 36. When those 36 then tell 6, that would turn into 216 people. And if this pattern continues just 2 levels down, this could turn to over 7,000 people. Do you see how quickly a handful of people can turn into thousands? But how much did you get paid for the marketing impact you had through your reach? Well, here at Noors, we decided to take a different approach. We have decided to market our service by invitation only, and we will pay out exactly what we would have paid in advertising and marketing to the people that actually refer us the members that can benefit from the site and service. Millions of dollars will be paid out in just the first few months, and we estimate that as our service grows, hundreds of millions of dollars will be paid to people just like you, who had the foresight to be part of this marketing effort during the beginning stages. Think about it. Wouldn't it be great if each and every month you received a payment based on the efforts you made to refer us to other people that could be interested in our service once it launches? In fact, we built a platform you could log into each day to track how wide and how deep your reach is growing. With a simple click of the mouse, you can see on a map where your reach is spreading across the globe. And based on how large your reach is, you can press another button and see how much money that reach is potentially worth to you. As we get closer to launch, we'll reveal more information about the incredible compensation package that will power your reach into potentially millions of dollars. Right below this video, you will see 6 open spaces for you to use to invite people you think would love to take advantage of something of this size and magnitude. As you can probably imagine, those you invite will have access to the very same invitation platform you will be using. And as they spread the word about Noors, you will be able to track everything. Their reach becomes your reach, growing and spreading like wildfire, quite literally around the world. We predict there will be people that with the impact of their marketing reach will be able to quit their jobs and live off the income they generate, just from their efforts during the next few weeks by simply spreading the word about this service. Our computer models show that some will see a 6-figure or even a 7-figure income over the next 12 to 24 months, and yes, it could even be you. Now you are part of stage 1, what we will be calling the pre-release stage. During this stage, we are building momentum by bringing in movers and shakers who have been asked to join us via this Reach platform. Together and through this Reach technology, we plan on having a blockbuster opening day when we cut the ribbon and open our doors to the public. It will be historic. The next stage will be starting very soon. During this period, we'll be offering a unique founding members package. This awesome package we plan to offer on opening day will be limited to 1,000 members. Though we can't cover all the benefits of the founders package, we can say it will be like having a license to get rich, and you should start seeing yourself as a founding member of one of the hottest tech startups in recent years. So what should you do next? Simple. Start inviting people. That's it. You may invite as few or as many as you wish. However, if you invite 3 who accept your invitation, you will have access to the VIP area of the website. In the VIP area, you will have immediate access to updates and announcements as well as other videos we plan on leaking to the world very soon. You can be the first to see them before anyone else. In addition, you will be placed on our VIP mailing list. That means you will be the first to be informed of any upcoming conference calls, webinars, or live events with the top echelon of our company. These upcoming events will be crucial to maximizing the financial impact of your reach. So if you'd like to be in the know, if you'd like to be at the front of the line, if you like flying first class, start by completing 3 invitations. Now, if you're a little more ambitious and would like to graduate to a higher status, go for all 6 invites. Not only will you receive all the VIP benefits, but you'll also earn a very special gift. This gift has a retail price of $24.95, but it's possibly worth hundreds, if not thousands of dollars to your pocket. Have you ever heard of Dr. Dennis Cauvier or Mr. Frank Codina? Dr. Dennis Cauvier is a renowned business expert and consultant to thousands of Fortune 500 companies, over 100 millionaires and several billionaires. He's the author of 9 books, including the international bestseller, The ABCs of Making Money. Recently, Dr. Dennis Cauvier teamed up with entrepreneur, business coach, private equity investor, and financial expert Frank Codina to write their upcoming and sure to be a New York Times best-selling book called Start Now. This book has not hit stores yet. Just like being the first to witness the birth of Nours.com, you will also have the privilege of getting your hands on this book before anyone else does. This book will also give you greater insight into the Nours.com mission and what our site will do once it's launched. And although this handsome hardcover book will retail for $24.95 in the US, your copy will be free of charge. And that's just the beginning of what we have planned. There will be more rewards to follow, so stay tuned. Let's do a quick recap. If you want to be in the know and have access to the VIP area, complete 3 invites today. If you want to get your hands on a life-changing book, then complete 6. But if you want to potentially retire from your job in the next few weeks, don't stop at 6, invite everyone. Our system will allow you to bypass the max limit of 6 if you import all your contacts from your phone or mail service. From there, you can sort and select the contacts you would like to invite into the inner circle in one shot. Now that's thinking big and positioning yourself for greatness. Okay, so here's your defining moment. You could choose to do nothing and pretend like you never knew about this project. However, how would you feel if 6 months from now, you hear about the success of this company from someone else, knowing you had the chance to be first and you let it go? What if instead you decide to take this action and invite a few people and see how it goes? You have absolutely nothing to lose and everything to gain. What if we become the next big web giant, the next LinkedIn, Twitter, or Facebook? What if we go global and change the lives of millions of people? Do you understand the financial windfall you can be part of simply because you took a shot? I think the results will not only astonish you, but also change the direction of your life forever. Take action now and let's see how far your reach goes.